Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get back the repost button on TikTok. So this is an easy solution for you if you seem to cannot find the repost button on TikTok videos, but you want to repost the videos and you want to get back the repost button. You can try to fix it using the steps right here. So this is for an Android device. You can now just go to the settings on your phone, and in here you can scroll down until you find the app settings. Now click on see all apps and then just find TikTok in here. So find the TikTok app. You can just scroll down until you find TikTok. Okay, this one's right here. You can click on the TikTok app, and now what you need to do is go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache. So hopefully by clearing the cache, it will remove some bug and some glitch on the app. But if it's still not showing, you can try to see or check the TikTok app on the Play Store and check if there's any updates available. So let's just find TikTok in here. Okay, so there's no update available, but if there is, then you need to update your TikTok app as soon as possible. Okay, and the next method or the next solution that you can do is you can go back to the settings or to the app info, and here you can try to clear the storage. But you need to know that if you clear the storage, that means you will log out of your account in the TikTok app. Okay, and the last result or the last solutions that you can do is you can uninstall the TikTok app on your phone and reinstall it again. And of course you need to log in to your TikTok account again, because the storage or the data has been wiped out when you uninstall it. You can also try to restart your phone when you done clearing the cache or update the apps, and after that you can launch the TikTok apps in here and see if the repost button is showing up again. For example, here let's try click on the share button and see if there is a repost button. Okay, so here is the repost button. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.